Do you have a dish drainer with a drain board that ends up leaving water on your counter and causes quite a mess over time? I had that issue, and here's how I solved it. At first glance, the drain board appears to be properly positioned so that all the water should drain right into the sink. However, the issue we're having with this one is that the water tends to gather over here, and it overtops the wall right over here and ends up leaking out that way. Initially, I thought that putting a shim on the right side would take care of the problem and cause the water to just drain right into the sink. However, after pouring a cup of water on here, I realized that indeed the wall over here still gets overtopped before the water drains into the sink. So I came up with my next solution. Here I have the tray upside down on a stainless steel cart. The side which was leaking water now is going to be the right side. And if you look at it from this angle, if you look at the right side, you can see how far up it is from the cart. If you look at the left side, it's much closer to the cart. So the issue is that the right side is lower than the left side. So that's the part that's leaking water. So what I'm proposing to do here is to take a heat gun and slowly melt just the right side so that it approaches the stainless steel cart here. Be careful when you're doing this at home that you use something that is non-flammable underneath your drain board. So let's give that a try. This is a regular heat gun you can purchase at Home Depot or Lowe's, and just does your basic stuff here. I'm going to increase the temperature a little bit, and then we'll just let it sit here and warm up until it gets warm. It'll just be sitting there. You can feel how warm it is this way. Just be careful of that, and we'll give that a try. Okay, so now I'm going to give the heat gun a try, and we'll see if we can see the plastic starting to melt. Just want to melt it a little bit so it goes down. Now that things are warmed up pretty well, you can actually see the plastic melting down as we go. I want to get this all the way down, and then we're good. Okay, I think this is down enough, and now I'm just letting the heat gun cool off, and then we'll take a look at it once the drain board cools off as well. Once the drain board has cooled off, we can reposition it on the sink and observe that this side appears to be as high as this side. So it looks like it's better. Let's give it a test by pouring some water onto the drain board. So here we want to see where the water actually drains off the drain board. The idea here is that your dishes as they're drying are going to be dripping onto the drain board. Getting close over here. Looks like it's going to overtop right there. Oh, look at that. It's going over into the sink. That is what we wanted it to do. So this is minimally functional. We could do this one more time to try and get this a little closer, or a little better. See, over here it's not even close to the edge, whereas over here it is really close to the edge, but actually just draining into the sink like we wanted it to. So I'll just do it one more time to get that side a little bit higher. But that's basically the approach, and that's how you can get your drain board to be functioning properly and less likely to spill water all over your counter, which, if it's not cleaned up quickly, can start to get messy and smelly over time.